In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for team management. If you're looking to streamline your team's workflow and enhance collaboration, Trello can be an incredibly valuable tool. So let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to your Trello board. If you don't have one set up yet, you'll need to create a new board, which acts as a workspace where you can organize tasks and projects. Once you're on your board, we need to add a list. At the top of Trello, you'll see a button that says Add a List. Go ahead and click on that. Lists are a great way to categorize tasks or team members, making it easier to track progress and organize your workflow. Now, it's time to name your list. For the purposes of team management, let's call this list Team Members. This will help you keep track of who's on your team and what roles they play within your project. Once you've named your list, hit enter to save it. This is where you'll be adding cards for each team member to record important details about their contributions. Next, it's time to add a card for each of your team members. Click on Add a Card. You'll see a text box appear where you can enter your team member's name. Once you've typed in the name, click Add Card to save it. Repeat this step for each additional member. Adding these cards not only helps you track who's involved in your project, but also allows for personalized task assignments later on. Once you have all the member names added to your list, click on a member's name to open the detailed view of their card. This is where you can really start to manage your team effectively. Head over to the description field. Here, this space allows you to add notes about each team member's role, responsibilities, and contributions to the project. You can also give feedback on their productivity, attitude, and skills. Writing down these observations can help facilitate effective performance reviews and discussions in the future. After you've filled in all the necessary details for one member, make sure to click Save to ensure none of your notes are lost. You'll want to repeat the same for every member of your team, providing personalized notes and feedback for each. This consistency helps keep everyone on the same page regarding roles and expectations. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to manage your team using Trello. By organizing your board, categorizing tasks, and maintaining detailed profiles of your team members, you'll be well on your way to smoother and more efficient team management. Good luck and thanks for watching.